Hello, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to combine metallic and smoothness texture into single map for usage in Unity. For this tutorial you will need Substance Designer. In various texture libraries on the internet you can find great textures such as this one. The only problem is that they are not ready for Unity from the get-go. That's because Unity requires both metallic and smoothness map to be in a single RGBA texture. You can easily combine both of these maps into single texture using Substance Designer. To do so, simply download the textures you want and import them as resources into Substance Designer. Now I already did that and connected all the textures to the corresponding channels. Here on the left you can see the desired outcome we want to see in Unity. To achieve this, we need to combine the smoothness and metallic textures into single one. To do so, let's create RGBA merge node. And here you can see that we need to supply RGB and A channels to create a single output textures. Unity stores the metallic information in the first three channels and the smoothness information in the alpha channel. So let's connect the smoothness texture into alpha channel and metallic into R, G and B channels. Make sure to connect all three channels or you will get some funky results. Now we have both textures combined, and now we need to output the texture into the metallic channel. Now if we were to export this one, we will see some weird result in Unity. That is because we have downloaded, as you can see, a roughness texture, but Unity requires smoothness texture. Don't worry, there's an easy fix for that, because roughness and smoothness are basically the same, just the information is inverted. So to invert this roughness into smoothness map, just create invert grayscale node, and you can see that it just flipped the information to the opposite values. Now our metallic and smoothness map is done. Now we just need to export these textures. To do so, go to Explorer, right click and export outputs as bitmaps. Now you can export all the textures you need, or you can just export the metallic map, so you don't have to export all of these textures. Now let's go ahead and export outputs and plug it into Unity. Now in Unity, we can check if the metallic smoothness texture is working as intended. So go ahead, click on the metallic smoothness texture, and here in the RGB channels, you can see that it's black, that's the metallic texture, and in alpha channel, you can see the smoothness texture. So the metallic and smoothness texture exported correctly. And when we plug all the textures into the corresponding channels, we can see the resulting map material here. You can use the same procedure to create all sorts of other combined maps, such as albedo and transparency. You just need to supply different maps into different channels, but the procedure is the same. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one.